الآن إخوان المشاهدين على شاطئ سيلين، حيث نشاهد أحد الشباب من الجالية الهندية والباكستانية والعديد من الجاليات هنا يقومون بالشوي كما تشاهدون. وهنا بعض من الجالية الهندية والباكستانية والعديد من الجاليات يقومون بلعب الكيرم.
ओ भाई ये अगर किसी ने मैं देख लिया ना खाना उसके बाद खाना है। चलो ये सारे लोग चले
कैसे खाली हो गया? बाले जी जी हाँ आ जाओ आओ ना सोने वाले साढ़े दो
نشاهد الآن إخوان المشاهدين هذه اللعبة الحلوة.
This event just arranged for develop team integrity among us, and so far, alhamdulillah, we did a good job on the two turnaround shutdown, turnaround 2017, and I hope that how we are there that is the week which is ahead of us, that will be met very well, and how the team is now spread up, and I hope, inshallah, we are expecting that this shutdown will be more successful as compared to the 2015.
Please, sir. Please come, sir. Assalamualaikum. A very good evening. For a general usually rating is given if you have done a good preparation in a turnaround. As per international practice, you done with a 70%. So I congratulate this team. They have successfully done this part of preparation. To my scale, only 30% left. It is not one day journey. It is for the last 7 months. This team and Qatar business team and everybody are all departmental heads. So I strongly believe that Allah will reward us and inshallah we will be successful. We have worked 7 months day night for this turnaround. For every activity one should set few KPI and targets. Okay, number one is to finish the turnaround in time, in 37 days. Second is within the budget. Third is on time, and fourth is of course with zero LTI, with zero medical, and safety is the prime actually. Budget, I have no doubt we will meet all client milestones, but one thing we should be very careful about the safety. That is now unbearable for all the organizations. Yesterday we have 2 meetings on account of safety in Dell also. So they call the top management, and whole day we were involved in one reason or the other. So now it almost become a topic. Although I believe then that now safety is one part of our core team as a number one as a in the placement if it's 6 or 7. Safety is now one. I told the general manager who was reporting. This year we have reported one welder, one fabricator. Was doing the grinding and something gone in eye. He walked out of the gate without telling anybody. After 2 days, he came with the red eye and told I need to go to the doctor. So inshallah, we all must pray for each other, safety, and we should give look after. And we stand as one team. Inshallah, we will finish this turnaround within time, within budget, and without any safety problem. Thank you very much. Now request Mr. Graham, our head business owner.
Everybody, I want to congratulate you all on a great event today. I've had a lot of fun. It's a great pleasure to participate with you in this event. I laughed, I had so much fun. And I know that we've appreciated each other as a team, right? One of the core values of GESCON is teamwork. Yes. And what we see here before us today is teamwork. Yes. It really is a good event. Thank you so much for all of the effort. You're setting a benchmark over here. Now I can look forward to, and we can look forward to, all I see. Once again, being a little bit higher. That's what's going to happen. Competition is very good for us. Okay? Yes. I have to look at what, or listen to, repeat what Eddie Saba said about safety. We are reporting things. Yes, we got something in the eye. Okay? And we as the supervision on the site must create an environment that is safe for the worker to work in. we have a double responsibility. One is to watch the man, making sure he's doing a good job, and then to make sure the environment that he's in is also going to be safe. The cables must be neat, his material that he's working for must be neatly stacked, his housekeeping must be good, the way he approaches the job must be productive, how he does the work, how he holds the thing, all of these things need to be thought about by the supervisor. You have a strong responsibility, very strong responsibility. But I know that being from DESCON, you have the capacity to fulfill what is necessary to be done. I want to encourage you. I want to say you can do it. And with a heart in the will that is here today, in 1 month or 2 months' time, we will look back and we will give ourselves a hand. Okay? I want you to believe in yourself that this shutdown can happen successfully, safely, on time, and with a lot of joy and happiness, like we're experiencing the teamwork here today. Teamwork is you help your friend and you carry him across the line. Okay? So I'm looking forward to more encouraging news from the planners when they send me through your progress. So when I can go and shake the hand of the client and say, look at what DESCON has done. So, keep up the good work. And I'm looking forward to hearing of the great story to come. Thank you.
So, thank you, Mr. Dan. Bundle of thanks for your participation here. So, we do believe that you people are the backbone of the management of the company. So, have a great applause for your success. I think it's all about
Yeah, taking this opportunity, I assure the team leader, Mr. Ram Chaudhary, that rest everybody, either we are 1,500 or we are 1,300, are involved in this turnaround. We are just at your call, one call. Thank you, sir. We stand. You consider all those people are on two road. Within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, within 20 minutes, all sport will be given to you. We have a common challenge. Anyhow, you are taking it's your will, what you want from the government, what you want from, you need 4 5 people more to fulfill. There are achieved problems. Anything will open once the devolting will be done and all. So I once again assure Ransom, we are all at one point.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, really. Very appreciated, sir.
So, only few moments, not more. After that, the people who would like to have a live barbecue, they may join there. We are having a lot of food, lot of chicken available. Okay? So, okay. So one more important. This time, as a management, so we are going to make this new camp as a benchmark. Okay? So, we have already made the best arrangement for your accommodation, for your transport, each and everything. We did it. This was your coming here. So we thankful to Raha Saab, Aftab Saab, Zakaria Saab, S.M. Chaudhary Saab, Zafar Saab. Sorry, I might be missed many names, but thankful to all. Okay? So
Aftab assure is all sanitation and sport is
Shut on this. I am with Chaudhary all the time. Since last few days, I am involved in this town. Not physically, really I am involved. Still tomorrow I am going Abu Dhabi to bring material for the QCAM shutdown. I assure when QCAM 1 minute call, if they will call me, I will be there with my team. All say no.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening everybody. First I want to quote team building. Although it was a bit of fun during this rope tug of war Babu can create. And during that, what I observed, that this was a great example of teamwork. I manipulate many things. Just in trouble, they immediately come and they extend their support and they pull the boat together. This is basically team. I expected from that this is the teamwork. So in this shutdown period, please extend yourself and join that event and support each other for the success. Furthermore, on behalf of a team member, from my side, you can say from